Hey guys, Arturo Spraycasso here. Welcome back to another Spraycasso show. Alright, so I've been doing a little bit of this. I'm working on a spray painting tutorial, but it's not your ordinary spray painting tutorial. No, sir, no, not indeed. It's a really big spray painting, right? And I'm doing this through the Oculus. So I just wanted to show everyone what we got going on so far. And normally a spray painting tutorial, guys, takes me about a day, maybe two at the most. I mean, about 20 to 35 minutes to do the painting itself, and then do the video editing, the voiceover, chopping up the video, adding sound, all this other stuff. It takes a little bit of while, but this one has already taken 2 days, and this is where we're at. Most of the time has been just painting. So I have several different clips of this that I'm going to put together and make it into a tutorial. But being that it's a new thing, I want to involve everyone as much as possible. And with that said, that's why I'm kind of showing you guys the steps that I'm taking, where I'm at with this painting, and this is what it looks like. Let me show you another thing real quick. This is the actual file. So this is what the file looks like. Now, where I'm at, there's a texture, there's a wall texture. It's all just visuals. This is what it looks like. And this is the painting that we're working on. So without further ado, I'm going to jump back in and continue adding some of the smaller details that I was adding. Now I still got to go back and work on the clouds a little bit more. And just go throughout the painting until I'm done with it. But for now, let's continue where we left off. So, let's put that guy right there. Let's move him over right about there. Let's get on top of here. The next thing I'm going to do, let me see, did I reset my colors? I did, okay. I'm going to work on some purple here. Yeah, right about there. Let me show you what I'm going to be doing. You guys see that effect here? With the nice little highlights of purple on this side. I'm going to do the same thing over here. To do that, we're going to go with our thin cap. I'm going to reduce the pressure quite a little bit. Oh, that's still too much. I'm just going to add some highlights here. So the closer I get, the more concentrated the highlights are going to look. I'm just going to add that here on the edges. Just gonna work on here, right here, and of course we're gonna add some of those highlights right here on the tree as well, on the tree leaves. Because see, as you can see, we have those little squares, guys. That right there, what you see, that is actually the boundary that I have to paint in. So here, let me touch it again and show you where I'm at. So that's my boundary. So I have to stay within that boundary. Okay, let's continue. Oh, so somebody had asked me what my my studio looked like. I'll show you. Where's the boundary at again? Tell you what. Let me get back on here and see if I can touch the boundary. Can you guys see that? The out of bounds. I know a lot of people are very interested in that, wanting to know what my studio looks like. You can do this in any room, guys. We're just going to add a little bit of purple here. We're going to come down. Ooh, I like that. I like the way this is coming out. This is also a really cool, neat technique that you can create lightning. Let's take a look. Look at that. Okay. I'm going to add some more up here. Let me take another look. Ooh. That's fine. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to add a little bit of this blue. This is a little bit more bluish than purple. Oh, I like it. Okay, I'm gonna keep going with it. Okay, let's come down. Let's go over here. Look at that. Yeah, I'm telling you, you can make a really neat effect with this. Create lightning with it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll show you guys this neat little effect that I've been working on. For that, let's select the hot pink color. You guys see those little nice glowy orbs? I'll reduce the pressure of it. We're going to start off just a little bit of a fading effect, and then we're going to come on in. And then right there, boop, add that effect. Now we're going to step back. Look at that. Oh, that looks perfect. I like that a lot. Let's do the same thing with these guys. So I'm going to add a little bit of that blue right here. Going to make that glowing effect, and I'm going to zoom in and add that little bit of a darker spot. Let's step back. I like that a lot. Okay. Come on in. We're going to do the same thing right here. Now I've reduced the pressure of these cans so that we don't just create a big blob, just boom. Okay.